We just listed this really cool house in a really cool part of Fort Worth. Let's take a look around, check it out. This cute 1930s cottage sits in Fort Worth's Arlington Heights neighborhood, located centrally near downtown in Fort Worth's popular cultural district. The charm starts right off the bat as you enter into a sitting room with tons of character. An original wood-burning fireplace with a great mantel and wood framing details, along with original hardwood floors. It even has a cool arched entry into the rest of the home. The main section of the house is open concept, with tons of natural light and a stunning remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a huge island workspace perfect for entertaining, and tons of storage. The dining area and living room are open to everything. And they feature a wall of windows to let in a ton of natural light, making the whole house feel open and inviting. The primary suite has more of those windows bringing in great natural light, as well as a private bathroom and walk-in closet. At the front of the house is the second bedroom, an additional full bath, and more storage. The backyard has a new covered area perfect for entertaining or covered parking between the house and the guest house. The guest house has plenty of space however you want to use it. Equipped to add a full kitchen if you wanted to create a rental space, or use it as a third private bedroom suite like the current owners are doing. Fully equipped with laundry and a private bathroom. Arlington Heights is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Fort Worth because it's the closest neighborhood to the downtown cultural district. That's where you have world-class art museums, great shopping, nightlife, great restaurants nearby, and the big events that come to town like major concerts and the Fort Worth Rodeo and Stock Show. Plus, the neighborhood is all these cool houses built in the 30s and 40s that have almost all been restored, so it's this really charming area with a ton of character. Now this house has just been listed in January 2023. If you're seeing this soon enough to view the house, I'd love to show it to you. Just reach out through the contact info in the description. Or if you don't make it in time to see this house, I'd still love to help you with your home buying journey, whether you're looking here in Arlington Heights, other neighborhoods in Fort Worth, or anywhere else in the DFW Metroplex. I'd love to help you get where you're trying to go.